going on, Pyros? It's Pyro Michael 19 back again for another video. Today we're going to be demoing off Kronos. I think that's how you pronounce the name. It's a 16-shot, 500-gram banger by Black Diamond and Pro Fireworks. As you see, love the artwork on the packaging. And if you guys want to know the tube layout, there you go. Pretty decent sized tubes on there, pretty decent sized shots. And if you guys want to know the performance, it's right here on the top. If you guys want to pause the video and read that, you can. But anyways, let's demo off Kronos. 16-shot, 500-gram cake by Black Diamond and Pro Fireworks. All right, guys, here goes Kronos. 16-shot, 500-gram. Kronos. 16-shot, 500-gram. That's it. Really good. 16-shot, 500-gram Kronos by Pro Fireworks.